peeps, how are you doing today? Hope you're keeping safe. This is your girl Mayama. Please welcome back to my channel. Subscribe, like, leave a comment and share. For those who are always supporting me, thank you so much. So guys, by the way, for those who are always sharing my videos, asanteni sana. So in today's video we're going to prepare chicken stew. So with us, the ingredients are, we have our onion here already on the casserole. Never mind my casserole, it's okay. Then we have my my coriander leaves. I just I I took some, then I put them in water for them to be clean. I have some prepared vegetables. This is um what is this? Potatoes, eggplants, carrots. Then we have some cooked chili. Then right over here we have green pepper. Then we have some garlic down, as you can see. Then we have, this is, we have chicken itself. I don't know if I should know that. Then we have, this is a mixture of all these ingredients. This is ginger powder. This is black pepper, by the way. I always put it in a different pot. Coriander powder. Oh, this one I'll not use it so much because this is mixed spices from Bahrain. We have cinnamon powder. We have mixed. Then we have cumin powder. We have our vinegar. The reason vinegar is here, though it's not needed, I first boiled our chicken with this vinegar and then with some ginger powder. And then we have turmeric powder, of course. We have our tomato paste. We have, these are, I don't know what I say, they are bay leaves. Yeah. And then we have our cooking oil. We have some water here. Never mind this one. This one is for rice. So peeps, we will start. So all my ingredients, I put them here. I mixed them, I put them here. So I just put them here to show you what I used. Our chicken is already boiled with ginger and vinegar, apple cider vinegar, to remove some bad scent. So we will put some oil. Yeah, I always cook from down here because this one it cooks quickly. We will have to fry our onion until it turns golden brown. So this is our chicken. We will not overcook it because it has, once it has boiled and it's broiler, it's not kienyeji local chicken. This is broiler, so it cooks too fast, unlike our kienyeji, our local chicken. So we'll have to fry our onion until it turns golden brown. This water is for rice. So today I'm preparing white rice with chicken stew. I don't know if I showed you water. Water was there. Because in all stew, it must have some water. I broke one of this side. This on the other side is broke. But I love this casserole too much for this chicken stew. And this one I love it for rice. I don't know. I don't know because I'm from village or what. Once I'm used to one casserole, like the cooking utensils for specific food. Like we have one for tea, one for stew, one for vegetable rice, etc. Like I will never be comfortable Like for now, for instance, now maybe I've been given another casserole to use. I'll not be comfortable as I am comfortable with this. And then I don't know if guys, if you have that attitude of you never love throwing food, disposing food in trash. You know, there are some things parents tell us, like just to teach us, like to teach us some manners. For example, my parents told me once told me that they used to tell all of us that when you throw, we had an old man in my village, an old woman in my village who was not well off. He was like, she was like living a very poor life, very, very poor. So my parents used to tell us, you see, they used to have milk before. You know, like that is how, not that my parents were laughing at them, but like I mean, my point is there are some things parents tell us through parables that will never fade from our minds. They told us that the reason as to why that lady was poor, they used to have a lot of milk, and the husband used to throw them, to throw the milk. Like when it's raining, he come out with some milk and pour them on the roadside, and it used to go like with the rain water. So that is the reason as to why God punished them. So the point of my parents was never throw food. Never until now. You know, you see me, even when this one falls down, I'll get it for the sheep. And I thank God most of Catholics also they don't throw. Muslims, most of them they don't throw food. They always keep them for the animals. You see our onion is ready. Almost ready. Our water has boiled, but because I don't have a director, that's why. But the rice, okay, the rice, I'm sure all of you know how to prepare rice. Or I will show you how to prepare rice tomorrow when God gives us health, good health. I think now the onion is ready, so we will take our chicken. I don't know if I told you salt. This mixer also has some salt. So bear with me people, because I'm holding my phone at the same time as I try to mix my chicken. Leave it for some 10 seconds. Good. And this is the heat. Then put on the oven. We put our garlic. We put the garlic down there. You see, I told you I don't like throwing anything. Not only food, even clothes. I don't like throwing. Because our daddy said, when you get used to throwing items, clothes, God will punish you. This one is just again fry it 5 seconds. Okay, because you know the reason why I'm doing it that quickly, because our chicken is already, it's ready. After that, we'll put the ingredients. I told you this one is a mixture of salt and all those ingredients that I've shown you right away, plus the salt. You see? This one I'll put some more. So for now, no need of mixing too much. I'll just add the, because I don't have vegetables right here. Then our mint leaves and coriander. My hand is tired. This is the one. We take some of the soup with the water. I don't want to turn it too much. I'll not turn it too much. I'll leave it to boil for like 30 minutes. I'll add some more water for it to boil for 30 minutes, because when I stir it too much, the chicken will break into pieces, making it look ugly. Then we'll put one is bay leaf. Mkono wangu umechoka, but sasa nitafanya nini? Najaribu bahati kwenye nitaomokea, then hapo ndo nijishikiririe, but nashukuru Mungu. So I'll put the tomato sauce on top of it, tomato paste. I don't know if my Philippine sister is inside there. Now you can mix it because of the tomato paste, but well, even without mixing, it's just okay. Imagine it will still be ready. So I'm thinking of taking this rice water to the water here, but it has salt, so I cannot use it. That one could be better. The problem is I don't have a director. That is now my biggest problem. But when I say I will wait until my sister comes on Thursday, like so many things will stop, and you know, life will never stop because you have stopped waiting for something. But you can try it. You see now we can do our fire. Mkono wangu, I cannot put pepper because chili, yeah, pepper or chili, whatever. So because some of my people, they don't love it, so this one, now we can put water. You leave it to boil for 20 to 25 minutes. Just the most important thing is for the carrots to be soft, and potatoes, and the pumpkin, and the eggplant. So that is it. Guys. After 30 minutes, our stew will be ready, and it will be ready to be served. So that is it. So I don't know if we will wait. No, that is the procedure. And then as I have told you, for you to know that it's ready, you'll have to start pressing the vegetables if they are soft, especially the carrots. They're very hard. So once they're ready, then your stew will be ready. So that is the whole procedure of preparing Arabic stew. But we can as well prepare like this in Kenya, because this one is only 1.5 chicken and it can serve a good number of people because it has vegetables. So sini hivyo, or we wait for some minutes. So guys, by the way, keep subscribing to my channel, keep supporting me, keep supporting me. Guys, you see how it's looking like? You see how? You see? You see? Keep supporting me, peeps. Let's grow together. Let's make it to 3K subscribers before the end of this year. I know we can do this. You see? That is our stew. Let's cover it until it's fully cooked after 20 to 25 minutes. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for always supporting me. Keep supporting me, please. Yeah, keep supporting me. Yes. So that is it, guys. That is it. Let's wait for the end result, of which this is like the end result, but it's just like it's not ready. It's not fully cooked, but this is how our stew will look like. But surely I'll take a photo, then I use it as I don't know, my thumbnail. Yeah.